So not only does the Dauber stopper keep your drain lines clear and free of debris, but you get the added bonus feature of a pest control product. Not having it on there would be like not having a front door in your house. Who would do that? Struggle with weight pretty much all of his life.
There is a homeless man in my house.
Shh.
Whose kids are these?
I have no idea. Ask him. They'll let anybody in here, huh?
So y'all did want me to protect your home with the Dauber stopper, correct? Ma'am, sir. Dauber stopper?
Yes! I'm sorry. Yes.
So I'll take care of that right away.